What's up, YouTube? So right now what we're going to be doing is the start of our Doordash / Postmates drive along, ride along, whatever you want to call it. But it is about 4 o'clock right now, which means dinner time is coming up. And so I'm headed out to a couple of spots where I usually get most of my orders. And let's see how many we can get tonight. We should be able to dash about 4 or 5 hours. So hopefully we can get up to 120-ish around there. I think that's a solid goal if we're doing both. It kind of just depends when the orders start coming in. It's a little different day here in Kansas City because we just had the Super Bowl parade. So I'm hoping people are going to get home and not want to go back out. Maybe order some food in. So we'll see how this goes. So we just got our first order. It's a Postmate order for Chick-fil-A. So we're about 5 minutes away. So we're going to head over there, pick up this Chick-fil-A, and I'll see you once I get the food. All right, guys. So we just got the bag. A couple spicy chicken sandwiches and some waffle fries for Nicholas D. So we are headed to Nicholas's house right now to drop off this food. Shout out to the guy I saw in there driving. He's driving for Doordash. Pretty cool dude. Had a good conversation with him. So we're about 8 minutes away from Nicholas's house. So we're gonna head down there, and I will be back when I complete the order, so we can see how much we got for the total. And then hopefully cash tip, maybe not. Postmates usually tip pretty well just because it's based on the order instead of based on the delivery, so you get a better percentage. So all right, we'll see you when we get there. So we just dropped off the food to Nicholas. Cool dude, working at a bank. We got about $4.93 for that order before tip, which is actually not bad for Postmates. And after I delivered, DoorDash went live in my area, so I copped a shift from about right now it's 4:45 till 5:30 because my next shift starts at 6, and I can clock in 15 minutes before, so that'll be around 5:45. Sorry, there's a driver that thinks she has right to the entire road. Yeah, so 5:45, so that gives us a 15-minute break. We run Postmates in between. If probably won't need to, but we're gonna go pick up this order. We're actually just pulling in. Like I said, it's right across the street from where I was. This place takes forever. I really don't like this place, but they're right here, so I figured I would go ahead and grab the order. I will see you guys when I get the food, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I'm standing outside this grill, and they said it'll be about 10-minute wait on my order. This is one of the reasons I really don't like this place, and I regret accepting this order, but yeah. All right, guys, so I got the order, and the lady is actually at this bank right across the street, so I'm really just walking it over there. And so yeah, I'll let you know when I drop it off. It should be like literally 2 seconds. Funny story for you guys. She put the wrong address in her DoorDash drop-off location, so that was fun. So I had to get on the phone with her and talk to her about where she was. I finally figured it out. She didn't know the name of her own apartment complex, which was very, very, very annoying because I had to figure out based on my own memory. But I found her. I dropped off the food, and I actually just got a new order from the exact restaurant that we were just at, so we're gonna head back over there. This one's a little bigger order. It's about $11.50, so I will see you guys when we get that food. All right, guys, so we just picked up that order. Huge order, guys. We got like 3 bags of food, and we got to drive about 15 minutes to get to this house. Sorry for the camera work, guys. I'm trying to drive, but yeah, that's what you get for a high order, which I'm all right with because I'll take the high order. But yeah, so we got the bag and we're on our way to Sherry's house. All right, guys, it's kind of dark in here. I'm sorry for the lighting. It doesn't really help. But anyway, I just dropped off that order to Sherry for $17.25, which is a really good order. We're gonna head back. This order did take us out of our way quite a bit, but we're gonna head back into closer to the shopping centers that I run and see if we can get some more orders. It is about 5:45 right now. about 10, 15 minutes later from dropping off that previous order to Sherry. I just received an order from IHOP for $7.75, so we're gonna head over there and grab that. Hopefully we can get this done pretty quick. So I'll see you after we pick that order up. All right, guys, so we were on our way to IHOP. We're literally about to pull into the place, and I got another order from Chipotle, which is right across the street, so I went ahead and accepted that. So now we got a double order, which is awesome. Guys, always accept your double orders because it saves you gas and saves you miles on your car. This one's for $5, so we're going to run into IHOP, grab that, and then we're gonna grab the Chipotle, and then we're gonna head off and deliver the two. So I'll be back once I get both the two orders. So we just picked up the two orders, Chipotle and IHOP. So we're gonna head over not too far, about 10 minutes away. We're gonna drop these items off, and I will get back to you when I complete that order. So we just dropped off those orders. I don't know how well you can see me. It's getting kind of dark. It is currently 6:10. I don't know how many orders we've done, but I think we're doing okay. We're gonna head back closer to our spot, see how much we can keep this up. I actually had to run through the snow to get to that second one because they were apartment buildings and they're a little bit farther away than I thought they were. But anyway, we got it delivered. We got both of them delivered, and yeah, so let's keep it going. It is now 6:15. We just received one more order from a Chinese restaurant. It's only, oh wow, it's dark, but it's only $6 for this one, but it's on the way to where I was heading. So I'm gonna go ahead and accept it, and maybe see if we can get another double order, just because it's about 5 minutes away. Gives them time to make it. Hopefully we can just grab and go. Also, I've been there a couple times. I like the people that own it. They're a good couple. So I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna get this order for them. Drop off location's very close. So I will see you once I get the food. So we just picked up the Chinese order, and lo and behold, we got a double order from a Indian restaurant about 3 minutes away. Which I also kind of built a relationship over the past few months with. Good family, good guys. It's another family-owned restaurant. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna pick it up, and then this will be our second double order on the night, which is actually really, really, really awesome. So I'll see you once I get that food, and then probably after I drop off the two orders, just because I want to keep this video somewhat not crazy long. So I will see you guys then. Just dropped that order off to Kevin, as well as the Chinese order. Chinese order actually tipped me $3 in cash, which is pretty nice. Always love getting cash tips. Just received another order before I can even get back in my car. This is a $6 Cold Stone order, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make this my last delivery. Just because it's starting to snow and the roads are getting a tad slick. It's right around 20 degrees, and I'm not trying to stay out super, super late when the roads are slick, just because I don't want to crash my car. And I mean, when it snows, it's really good opportunities for dashers, if you're willing to drive through the snow. But that's just a risk that I'm not going to take. So I will see you once I get this order. So I got the bag. Apple says we're about 5 minutes away, so we're gonna head on over there and probably finish the night. All right, guys, so I just dropped off that ice cream order. It was really close, really easy. Glad I did it. Ready when I got there, everything like that. But it is currently 7:05, and I think I'm gonna call it a night for Doordash tonight, just because it is still snowing, the roads are getting slick, and it's only getting colder. So I think I'm gonna head home when I edit this video. As always, I'm gonna leave my socials in the description, as well as my referral links to both Doordash and Postmates. When you guys sign up for those and you complete, it's 200 deliveries for Doordash and 60 deliveries for Postmates. It does help me out, and I appreciate all of that. Please leave a comment if you got any questions. got anything you want to see in upcoming videos. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you did like this video, drop a like. If you didn't like this video and you still watched it, I don't know what you're doing with your time, but you can drop a dislike. And always appreciate, hit that big red subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next one.